The manager could not figure out who the thief was. There were 3 cases in January, April, and June 2017. Have a look at the videos recorded by the security cameras. January 2017. April 2017. June 2017. So who was the thief? It was the pregnant woman. In January, she looks about 6 to 7 months pregnant. In June, she looks the same. One more time. Poor, you are trapped in a room. There are 3 doors which may lead to your freedom. Behind the first door, there is a raging fire. Acid rain is falling behind the second room, which will melt your flesh in seconds. Third room leads to a brown bear, who is hungry since 2 years. Which door will you choose? Because the bear has not eaten from since 2 years, therefore, it's dead. Jane and Mary met for dinner. They both ordered iced tea. Jane had 5 and finished them very fast. Mary drank 1 slowly. When she finished it, she died. The police found traces of poison in all glasses. How did Jane survive? The poison was in the ice cube. A couple went on a honeymoon. During which the husband fell down a ravine and died. After consoling the crying wife, the police called the tour agency. They arrested the wife. Why? She only bought a one-way ticket for him.